Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pipedrive for closing more deals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Pipedrive website at www.pipedrive.com. Click on the Start for Free button located on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to use for your account. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. After that, click on the Next button to proceed. You may need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation email. Once you receive the confirmation email, click on the verification link. This will take you back to Pipedrive where you can log in. Enter your email address and password to sign in to your new account. Upon your first login, you will be greeted by a guided setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your Pipedrive account. Select your sales goals to tailor the platform to your business needs. You will now be asked to add your first deal. Click on the Add Deal button and enter relevant details. Fill in the title, value, and expected close date for your deal. Assign the deal to a specific pipeline stage. Next, you can add any important contacts associated with that deal. Once you have filled in all required fields, click Save to create the deal. Now, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with key features. Visit the Contacts section to add or import leads. You can also integrate your email and calendar for better workflow. Utilize the Reports section to track your sales performance. As you close deals, revisit the dashboard to see your progress. If you need assistance, check the Help Center for tutorials and FAQs. With these steps, you are now ready to use Pipedrive effectively. Start closing more deals and streamline your sales process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.